Hey beautiful people, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today's video is going to be all about how to aid your hair when it is shedding or possibly breaking. The great thing is shedding actually happens on a regular day. The bad thing is sometimes you have what we call excessive shedding, or you might be experiencing a lot of breakage. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to stop your hair from shedding or breaking in less than 15 to 20 minutes. Now, let me be honest. I just took out a quick weave that I decided to get for about a week. It was only in my hair for literally a week. What I noticed when I went to go and wash my hair is that my hair was shedding like crazy. Now, of course, natural shedding is 50 to 100 hairs in a day. But in my eyes, that was a little bit too much shedding for my liking. So I am going to use our two-part system, which is our Elite Repair RX. This product was formerly known as our Elite Super Protein or Super Reconstruction treatment, but we have since improved the product. We have also made it a lot prettier, and it is a two-part system. So the first part of the system is the treatment. The second part of the system is the hydrate. So we are going to do an entire protein treatment today from start to finish, so you guys know what to do and how to do it when it's time for you to do your protein treatment. As I say, a protein treatment is a band-aid on the boo-boo. This is not something that you do every single week. This is something that you do as needed. And if you are chemically processed, you typically want to do a protein treatment at least 2 to 3 weeks after your chemical service. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started by clarifying my hair. As you guys know, that is the first step in any shampoo process. So I'm using the Elite Clarified Gentle Cleansing Shampoo. When you are doing any form of hair process, you guys, you want to make sure that the hair is thoroughly cleaned first before you start any type of treatment part or treatment process on the hair. So I went ahead and did the clarifying shampoo, gave myself a good scrub, and then rinsed it off with warm water. For the shampoo process, you definitely want to make sure that you are using warm water. And then for the conditioner process, which I will show you what part of the conditioner, you want to make sure that you're also using warm water. And then the end process, you'll do cold water. So for my treatment shampoo, I'm using our Elite Hair Repair and Growth Shampoo. This shampoo is the shampoo that I recommend whenever you're doing your protein treatment. Reason being is this is a repair process that we are doing. Please don't mind the soap that's on the back of my neck. This is also when you have to shampoo your own hair, so I'm sure you guys also leave soap on the back of your neck too. But it's not going to affect the end result, so you definitely want to make sure you wipe the rest of the soap off. Now I'm going ahead and towel drying the hair. This part is a step that's very important as well. Conditioner does not adhere to the hair when the hair is sopping wet and water is dripping. So you want to go ahead and towel dry. And then our new Elite RX treatment actually does not have a spout any longer. We use a treatment pump, so you have control of how much of the protein you are putting in your hand, and I only used about 2 quarter sizes of an amount. I put it on my hair. I did not comb my hair out, and I went directly under the hooded dryer for about 15 minutes. Once I came out of the dryer, I did rinse the conditioner or the treatment off with warm water. Okay, this is the part of the step that I said is a little different. You want to rinse it off with warm water because this is the treatment itself. Okay, this is the actual super protein treatment. This is the most important part of the protein system. This is the step that is going to help stop that shedding and breakage. Then you are going to follow up with step 2, which is our hydrate portion, and this is called hydrate. It is a moisturizing and restoration, I got tongue-tied, treatment, and I went back under the dryer for 10 minutes with a processing cap. Now, to rinse off this portion of the process, you are going to use cold water. I did go through and just brush through my hair with our detangling brush because I wanted to ensure that I didn't still have a ton of hair coming out, which usually you will not. It does reduce the shedding reduce the shedding or stop the shedding almost instantly, you guys. So cool water rinse, and more cool water rinse. Now the hydrate conditioner has a nice slippery feel to it, so you'll definitely know that you've rinsed it off, and then you'll follow up with one of your Elite leave-in conditioners of choice. So I just wanted to finish up the process and go ahead and mold my hair. I'm not going to actually do the style portion on video, but I wanted you guys to see the process from beginning up until styling point. And the Elite Repair RX is one of those systems where you use it as needed. As I said in the intro to the video, it is a band-aid on the boo-boo. You do not wear a band-aid every single day, you guys. So you use it as needed or right after a chemical service. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment and tell me if you guys have gotten a chance to try our Elite Repair RX, which I'm more than certain a lot of you have during our testing phase. But outside of that, the Elite Repair RX is actually available on the website right now as we speak. It is a two-part system. It comes together, you guys. It does not come individually. So I definitely recommend everybody have the Elite Repair RX in your arsenal, because it is one of those things where it's a band-aid. You have it when you need it. It is not good to not have it when you really need it. Okay? See you guys later.